Third question, construct triangle LMN in which angle M is 60 degree, angle N is 80 degree and LM plus MN plus NL is 11 centimeter. So first we draw the rough figure where the base is slightly longer, and then we complete a rough figure of the triangle. Since the triangle is named as LMN, we can take any two other vertices other than L, M and N. Again, let me take A and B. What will be the third vertex other than M and N? Which is the third vertex? L. So this should be L. Now we know that the other two vertices are formed on the base of this, that is on AB. So we complete the rough figure of the triangle and mark the other two vertices as M and N. Now we will write the angles. M is 60, N is 80. So M is 60 degree, N is 80 degree. We know that angle A will be half of 60 degree, that is 30 degree. Angle B will be half of 80 degree, that is 40 degree. And this length AB will be 11 centimeter. So with this in mind, let us start the fair figure. First we draw the base AB as 11 centimeter. The base angles, angle A and angle B, are 30 degree and 40 degree respectively. So we take the protractor, keep it at A. Take the measurement 30 degree. So we draw a ray passing through the point A and this point. Also we keep the protractor at B now. At B the angle should be 40 degrees. So we keep the protractor at B. Measure 40 degree. Draw a ray passing through the vertex B and this point. We get now the vertex at top. The vertex on top is the vertex L. So we write L here. Now we have to construct the perpendicular bisectors of the sides AL and LB. So I keep the point of the rounder at L and draw one arc above the line segment AL and one arc below the line segment AL. Same thing I do here. I will cut this arc here and again cut this arc here. So now I have to draw a line passing through the point of intersection of these two arcs, which will be the perpendicular bisector. Same way I do for the other side LB. I will draw one arc above the line segment LB and one below. Then from L, again I cut this pair of arcs and now draw a line passing through the point of intersection of these two arcs, these two pairs of arcs. Okay, now we get the other two vertices. One vertex is L, the other two vertices were M and N. So this is M now, this is N. We have to construct the triangle LMN. So we have to complete joining the sides So L to N and L to M. So we have this triangle now LMN. So once triangle LMN is constructed, we write below that triangle LMN is the required triangle. Triangle LMN is the required triangle. After that, we confirm whether the triangle is right by checking the lengths of the sides of the triangle LMN and adding the lengths of all of them. Now here we keep the scale here and see the length. It is 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter, and again here again it is 4 centimeters. So 4 and 4 is 8 centimeter. Then we look at the base. It is 3 centimeters. So 4, 4 and 3, that is 4 plus 4, 8 plus 3 is 11. So it is 11 centimeter, and the perimeter given here was 11 centimeters. So this construction of triangle LMN is right.